Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing of my new Jacquemus Le Panier Soleil tote. So let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, I really want to do a small introduction about this designer because Jacquemus is, first of all, his friend. I just feel like he's out there, like he is the designer of the moment. So every single time he's, talking about his brand, he's always mentioning this, woman from like south of France enjoying her life and just living la vida loca. Just being very chic, but not trying too much. And I really understand and see that in his brand, and I really appreciate this designer so much. So I've always wanted something from him since I discovered his brand, but I was not really into the brand. I mean, it's not that I'm not into it. I absolutely love like the very tiny bags. I love them. It's just I've seen them way too much and I was like, I don't think I'm gonna get one. So I decided not to get one, but then I saw my friend and she just bought the most, the cutest basket bag, and I was like, oh, maybe, now you're talking. Like, this is something I would actually buy. The price is a bit expensive, I'll be completely honest. Like a basket bag, when I go to Morocco, for example, basket bag is so cheap. I mean, it's like $20. And the basket bag from Jacquemus is probably, I think Canadian dollars, it's like $570, which is so expensive. By the way, it doesn't make any sense to buy this. But as you know me, I love matches fashion and I'm always in the sale section, which by the way is like the worst thing for me lately. I've not been good. I've been spending my money like I'm a billionaire. Maybe not, but you know what I mean. So I went on Matches Fashion sale, and then I saw, first of all I went on Essence because I knew they had sales going on. I saw the price, it was like $420. I was not really happy with the price. I was like, no, I don't think so. But then I went on Matches Fashion and I saw the bag for $340. Hello, of course I had to buy it. I decided to buy I think the name is Le Panier Soleil raffia tote, and I took the color yellow. So you have the pink one, but I was just not really into the pink one for once. I usually go for pink every single time there is a pink color. I go for the pink color because that's just who I am. I love pink so much. I'm like a Barbie. I love pink. But I don't know, this pink I was just not really into it, and I felt like the yellow was a little bit more grown up. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try that grown up thing. There you go, I am now an adult. I received a package yesterday and I really wanted to open it. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna do this unboxing with you guys because there is no unboxing of this damn bag. I don't know why. Every single people that do an unboxing with Jacquemus is usually like the tiny, how do you call it? It's like the chiquito, something like this. I don't know, it's like a weird, funny name. So that's the only bag I've seen as an unboxing like video. Maybe there's one, I have no idea. I think I've said enough. Let's get to the unboxing. I'm just gonna go get the big box from Matches Fashion and I'll be right back. This is the box of happiness. It's just ridiculous how, when I receive a package, how happy I am. Sometimes I feel really bad, when it's like sometimes I have not like the best, I'm not having the best day, and then I receive a package and I'm so excited and all of a sudden I'm so happy. I actually feel bad. I'm like, I don't know, it's like I feel miserable being happy because it's just things, but I don't know, it's like fashion is my thing. I apologize, but there's no shame to it. I love fashion, I just love getting new things and just like finding things on sale. This has been like my favorite activity ever. Okay, I'm just gonna get to it. So let's open this. You do know how not gentle I am when I'm opening a bag, so please do not judge the next few seconds. Okay, let's start. Let's just do what I do best. Be a savage. Oh my god, I did it. This is like the first time I'm actually opening a box quite fast. Whoa, I mean not quite fast because I'm not done yet. Let's open it. Okay, this is really big. Oh yeah. Okay, so every single time, I don't know if you watched my video before, but every single time I tell you, I'm like, I take the big Matches Fashion box. This box, very nice because you can just use it after, especially since bags for some reason they do not come in a box. So that's the reason, oh my god, shut up. Okay, that's the reason why I always take this box from Matches Fashion, just because usually bags do not come in a box. This will be my box for this bag. Return label, I don't think we need this. This is, I don't know. Okay, so I love how Matches Fashion tells you who did the packaging. I just think it's super cute. Not gonna be gentle. Let's, there we go. I feel like we go together already. I'm just gonna get rid of this box because it's way too heavy for the small size that I am. Oops. I see the bag. So you have a dust bag, which I've said so many times before. I love dust bags, they make me happy, and for me it's like very important. Let's open this. Are you ready? Ta-da! I actually like it. I think this is leather. It's kind of a suede. It's a very nice suede though. I'm kind of really surprised with this. The Jacquemus is quite small, like it's not too big, but obviously if you're into fashion, like you will know right away what this bag is. I actually like the fact that it's not like super big, very huge branding on the bag. I think they have a bigger size, but I was just not really into it. This for me is like perfect. It's a perfect like summer bag, you know, if you go. So what I said to my best friend, she was like, I can't believe you paid that price for a basket. I said, listen, at least when I'm gonna do a picnic, I'm gonna be trendy. And she just mentioned to me how never do picnic, which is so true by the way. I never do picnic, but you know what, I'm gonna start now. I'm gonna start and I'm gonna prove to her that this bag is perfect for cute picnic. So this is like perfect for like a baguette, cheese, and like champagne, lots of champagne. Okay, there's absolutely nothing inside. The only thing you have is this, which I don't think I'm gonna use, to be honest. No, I don't think I'm gonna use this. But it's a nice detail like outside, I guess. But definitely the kind of bag I would use like this, and not even, oh maybe, I don't know. It's really comfortable. I'm really happy with the handle though. I feel like it's really good quality, because the problem with basket bags sometimes it's the handle is usually so bad. Like the quality of the handles are usually so bad, but this is actually really good quality. You have little gold details here. The basket bag is not perfect. I'm just gonna say it. Like I'm looking at it at the moment and it's not perfect. But then again, do you want like a perfect basket bag? I don't even know if it exists. I don't even know if you can have a basket bag that is actually perfect. I don't think so. That's the whole point of a basket bag. It's imperfection that makes it absolutely gorgeous. Is it worth the money? Absolutely not. I think it's just not worth the money. I'm just gonna say it. But am I going to keep it? Yes, because I am stupid and I am, you know, like a fashion victim all the way, 100%. I know it. So yes, I'm going to keep it. I don't know, there's something I really like about this bag for some reason. I don't know if it's the yellow. I'm actually very surprised because I was a little bit worried about the color. I was like, hopefully it's not like this super bright yellow. It's actually not. It's beautiful. It's actually a pocket. The front, this is a front pocket, which is beautiful. I don't know if I have something else to mention other than how stupid I am to spend my money on this, like $340 Canadian dollars on this, plus shipping, plus duties, plus taxes. Ugh, it's like, I don't know, it's like a lot of money for this. I love it. Like if you're willing to spend your money on this basket, go for it. It's actually gorgeous. I'm keeping it, I don't care. My best friend is going to judge me. I don't mind it. I'm used to it. That was my Jacquemus unboxing. If you want to see other unboxing, I have a unboxing, I have a coach unboxing. I can't even remember what kind of unboxing I do. See, that's how much I buy. I don't even remember when I buy things, to be honest. Sometimes I go to my closet and I'm like, oh my god, I bought this. Like, it's like shopping all over again. I get so excited. I am done for the day. This was my unboxing for Jacquemus. So I hope you enjoyed this. And if you have any question about the bag, please let me know. Like I said, it is not worth the money, especially if you buy it full price. Like, what's wrong with you? If you want to have sale on it, I know Essence at the moment They have sales and Matches Fashion. They always have a sales section, as I mentioned before. I always buy from Matches Fashion. Customer service, so on point. This is so important for me. If you want to return it, it's free. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you like this video, you can always give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel if you want to, or follow me on Instagram if you want to follow my journey at tempsd'uncafé.com. No, sorry, that's my website. My website is Much W. Too many W. Okay, my website is tempsd'uncafé.com. And my Instagram is at Temps D'un Café. There you go. Okay, sorry. I have a hard time. It's like 9 AM in the morning. I have so many things to do. My room is messy. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any question about the bag, please do not hesitate to message me. I love answering to you guys. And if you want to see something for my next video, let me know. I will see you soon next week. I'm always posting on my blog 2 articles a week and 1 YouTube video. I'm trying to be super good with you guys. I'm really trying to produce content as much as possible. So if there is something you want to see, please let me know. And I will enjoy this bag because today is a beautiful day and I feel like having baguette, cheese and vino and champagne. Goodbye, my people.